Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken wings in the Weber kettle. Now to start with, we'll need a snap lock bag, obviously some chicken wings, and we are going to brine these in some pickled jalapeno juice. So we'll go ahead and get our chicken wings in this snap lock bag. And then we want to strain all that juice into the snap lock bag. And then we can seal the bag up. That's basically ready to go. So you can do the same thing with pickle juice as well. Pickle brining or pickled jalapeno brining are my favorite ways to brine wings. I really love the jalapeno brine because you get all of that beautiful jalapeno flavor without any of the heat, so it's kid friendly too. Brining is a great way to get some more flavor into your wings and to keep them really nice and juicy as well. And when you're handling chicken, make sure you're practicing good hygiene too. So these are going to go into the fridge for 24 hours. I'm going to flip them halfway through just so these wings get a nice even brine. So our wings have been brining for about 24 hours now, but before we do anything with them, it's time to set our Weber up. So we will take our lid off, our cooking grate off, put some firelighters down, get them lit up, get our charcoal chimney on, and then we'll fill it up with some lump charcoal. So we've got about 10 minutes before our charcoal is going to be ready. So what we can do now is get our chicken wings out. We can get rid of the juice in there, get some paper towel and pat them dry. Now I've just laid some paper towel out. Just going to line all of the chicken wings up. As you can see, the wings have got an off-white sort of colour. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with them. That's just the colour they go when you've brined them. And then I'll just grab some more paper towel, press them over the top. And then we'll get them onto the cutting board. Just give them one last pat down. And now we can get these seasoned up. So I've got 4 of my favourite wing seasonings here. I'll put links to everything we're using today down in the description if you want to check it out. So we'll go ahead and get these wings seasoned up. So our wings are seasoned up. I've got some smoking wood ready. We've gone with some peach wood from Natural Smoke. And I've also got a Kettle crown. Now we've picked this one up from Rub and Grub, really good quality stuff. Again, I'll put a link down in the description if you did want to check them out. A Kettle crown is absolutely perfect for wings because it creates really high indirect heat. Now you can use 2 charcoal baskets in the middle of your Weber if you don't have a Kettle crown, but you do lose quite a bit of heat in these gaps and stuff here. So a Kettle crown is going to do the best jobs for that high indirect heat that'll get you them perfect crispy wings. So our charcoal is just about ready, so we'll be back once we're ready to set the rest of this Weber up. Right, so our charcoal is ready. So we are going to lift our chimney out, put our kettle cone right in the middle, pour our charcoal in, and any bits we missed, we brush away some of this ash. Now, if you wanted to, you can line foil in between your kettle crown and your Weber bowl, and then that will direct all the heat up through the kettle crown. But honestly, I don't find it makes too much of a difference, but it does also help keep your Weber clean too. So for now, get our cooking grate on, get our Weber lid on, make sure that vent is wide open as well as our bottom, and we'll give it 5 minutes to preheat. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Take our lid off. Get our beautiful chunk of smoking wood on, and we can get our wings on. And we'll get our lid back on. So now our chicken wings are on. All I'm going to do now is rotate that lid a quarter of a turn every 10 minutes until our chicken wings are nice and crispy. Now I'm not fussed if our chicken wings go all the way up to about 185 Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius. Chicken wings can take a beating. They're still going to be nice and juicy even if they go up to that internal temperature. But I'm going to favour that crispy skin that we all love. So we'll be back once these chicken wings are ready. All right, it's been about 35, 40 minutes. Got some nice crisp skin. Happy with our internal temperature. I reckon these are ready to come out. All right, and now we have some perfect crispy wings. Time for a taste test. If you've got a flat, grab it by the bone, push the meat down, take it all off in one bite. That's the Sticky Sesame by Rub and Grub. Fantastic rub. That's our steak shooter rub. Love it on chicken. It's a Suck Knuckle Seasonings jerker. Absolutely love that jalapeno flavour. You don't get any of the heat with that jalapeno brine, you just get all of the beautiful flavour. And the Heavenly Hell Loco. Oh, so unbelievably tasty. I can't recommend that jalapeno brine enough. I love doing it with chicken breast as well. Make sure you try that yourself, and don't forget I'll put links to everything we've used in the video down in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.